Your AI is powerful, but is it a researcher or just a glorified search engine? What if you could turn it from a simple query answer machine into an autonomous agent that defines its own research, extracts precise data, and generates polished content in any format you need? Today, we're building that agent. Before we jump in, subscribe, comment below, get your coding vibe for today. The #NUML paperai library is a beast for analyzing scientific papers. But unlocking its full power means manually crafting complex configurations for every single research question. It's powerful, but it's rigid. What if we could give it an AI brain? A brain that could take a simple goal, dynamically write its own paperai configurations, execute the research, and then synthesize it into any content format we desire. That's what we're building today. A fully autonomous AI research and content agent. Paperai from github.com/NUML is an AI application designed to analyze scientific papers. Using LLMs and RAG, it answers questions against a corpus of articles. It can perform bulk inferences, generate structured reports in Markdown or CSV, and even annotate PDFs. By building on TXT AI for embeddings, it provides a powerful framework for extracting insights from vast scientific literature. So to kick this off, we used a Vibe coding prompt to generate our core Python script. We asked our AI to create a research and content agent using paperai in an OpenAI LLM. The key was to make it modular, generating configurations, executing the research, synthesizing findings, and creating content, all orchestrated by a main function. This prompt is the blueprint for the entire agent. First, we set up our environment. We import libraries like OS subprocess and OpenAI securely load our API key, and define our paperai model path. We also create a master YAML template which our AI will customize for each research task. Next, the magic. This function uses GPT-4o to turn a simple research goal into a detailed paperai configuration. It intelligently creates a main query and specific questions to extract precise data, turning a high-level idea into a machine-readable plan. With our config ready, this function takes over execution. It saves the YAML file and uses a Python subprocess to run the paperai command line tool. This step fetches raw data from scientific papers and saves it all to a CSV file. Now we turn raw data into gold. This function sends the CSV report and original goal back to the LLM, asking it to analyze the findings and generate polished content in any format we need, like a blog post, tweet, or executive summary. Finally, the main function orchestrates it all. It calls each step in sequence: generate config, run research, and synthesize content. It's the conductor that manages the entire workflow, from a single goal to a finished product, automatically. And there you have it. We've transformed paperai from a powerful tool into a fully autonomous agent. No more manual configuration, no more generic summaries. Just a simple research goal that unleashes a dynamic, multi-step process to deliver precisely extracted data and perfectly crafted content, in any format you need. This is the power of Agentic AI. Did you vibe code smarter today?